Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Friday, February the 5th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea Self-Learners Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. First grade scholars in Miss Koenig's class were rocking it in math. They were counting and making sure that they knew how to skip count by threes. So nice job, second graders, sorry, not first graders, second graders, my error. Nice job, second graders. Also, I saw scholars that were able to answer multi-step questions. Great job for working hard. Also, when the scholars that were in Mr. Moa and Miss R. Martinez's class, what a great job remembering greater than and less than. You guys are really going to be ready for the second grade. So keep up the good work. It's a great day to learn. We'll see you in the classroom. Hoot hoot!